What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to give you an update about the Wolf Capital. As you can see right here, as soon as you click on the page to open, click on your bookmarks to open the page, this will pop up. Okay, before we get into this, let me just read the important announcement on their TG group. That's why it's important to stay close to the TG groups, the projects that you are into, so you can stay up to date about what is happening. Okay, so there will be a contract update happening Monday the 19th, which is tomorrow at 5 p.m. UTC time or 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so Wolf Capital crossed over 7.5 million in total investments over 120 days. 3.5 million have been claimed. Okay, in order to provide longevity and sustainability of the project, okay, they decided to change the daily percentage to a maximum of 1.1 percent daily instead of 1.5, which is currently at 1.5. So from tomorrow at 5 p.m. UTC time, the daily percentage will be changed to 1.1. Okay, so that means if you have to claim, if you have any claims available, okay, please claim prior to 5 p.m. UTC time, prior to this time, because if you claim after this time, your rewards will decrease. So for example, if you have 150 bucks worth of claim, instead of claiming 150 bucks, you'll be claiming less than 150 bucks, okay, because the percentage changed. So probably going to be able to claim 110. Okay, so keep that in mind. So if you have any claims available, claim before this date and time right there. Okay, but you know, it is what it is, and I really understand why they are doing this, to provide longevity, and yeah, that's good. But in the other hand, they should give you, because you can only claim every 7 days, so they should make this announcement on the day, let's say on the day 11, so it gives you 8 days, you know, for you to take action. Okay, because if I made a claim yesterday, okay, that means that claim is gonna be affected, all right, or something like around those lines. Okay, so they should give you, let's say, at least 8 days notice, you know, so you can do what you got to do and prepare yourself for what's coming. Okay, but it sucks. As you can see, they made the announcement 2 days ago. Today's the 18th, so they made the announcement on the 17th. It sucks, but it is what it is. All right, we understand why they are doing this. Okay, so from tomorrow, the daily APR will be at 1%. Okay, and then from there, the maximum will be 1.1. Okay, so they will be able to grow the daily percentage by 0.01% to a max of 0.1%, because the max is going to be 1.1%. Okay, so it's recommended all the investors to claim by Sunday to maximize your earnings. Okay, like I explained to you. And also we have a merge stake update. Okay, so the merge stake update is right here. So I haven't read that yet, so let's see what's up. So merge all your stakes for 0% fees. Okay, so what this means if you have multiple stakes, okay, you'll be able to merge all those stakes in just one big stake. Okay, pay no taxes, no fees, because you already paid those fees, and just make one claim every 7 days or whatever. Okay, so stake merging feature. Elevate your staking strategy with our new stake merging feature. This allows you to consolidate all your existing stakes into a single one, streamline your investment portfolio. Okay, so if you do the merge, okay, the merge stake will be locked for 60 days. The best part, this consolidation process comes with absolutely no additional fees. Okay, so if you decided to merge all your stakes into just one stake, all your stakes will be locked again for 60 days. Even if they are unlocked right now, they will be locked for 60 days. All accumulated profits from previous stakes will be compounded into your new stake. This means your earnings work even harder for you, maximizing your return potential. Okay, and usage frequency. Okay, this feature can be utilized every 30 days. This offers you flexibility to regularly optimize your investments, ensuring your strategy stays efficient and effective. Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. I like it, even though I'm not gonna do it. I like the idea. Okay, I like the idea. And that's that in regards to updates about Wolf Capital. As you can see right here, 1.5 daily. Okay, so let's go over to NFTs and let's see how much they have sold so far. Okay, so yeah, from tomorrow the daily APR will be lowered to 1% and can go up to 1.5%, 1%. And also the APR, the daily APR will not go below 1%. Okay, you might be wondering, but it will not go below 1%. Okay. Okay, guys, we still got some NFTs available. Okay, so far they have raised 4.17 thousand bucks. Okay, the goal is 1.180 thousand bucks. Okay, and we can see right here we have lots of NFTs available, and surprisingly, a lot of people went for this Alpha Wolf Capital NFT, 5,000 bucks. Okay, where you get all these features. Okay, again, guys, I'm not gonna purchase any NFT, but over here we can see where you can buy the NFTs and how much it will cost you. Okay, guys, but that's that, guys. I just wanted to give you an update about Wolf Capital. Let's have a quick peek at the dashboard. Let's see what's up. Okay, current TVL 72K. Okay, total investment 7.8 million. Total investors 2.6 thousand investors. Okay, teams 175 teams, and current USDC stake is 6.7 million bucks. Okay, which is a lot. Okay, and that's that, guys. So the protocol keeps on innovating and growing, which is good to see. Okay, so far so good. Shout out to Wolf Capital and all its team members. Okay, that being said, guys, all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.